Hello everyone, this is another DIY job I'm planning to do in my dad's place. They had the back boiler taken out and put in a combi boiler, thus leaving us a gap, as you can see on there. And I have a plan to fix this up by using some piece of wood, some glue, as you can see at the bottom. No nail glue would do the job, and some just small pieces of wood and a plasterboard and polyfiller at the end. So the plan is basically to have a frame put up with glue either side, one on the top like this, so one on the top and two holding the top bit up on here. Make sure you measure it correctly, and once you've done all the framing, I'm going to screw the two pieces here, top and the bottom, and use the glue underneath, quite a lot of glue to hold it all together. Once that's done, make sure you put the frame about 10mm away from the surface. Here, as you can see, 10mm gap. I think that's the 10mm size plasterboard I have. And what I'll do with that is I will then cut out a smaller piece of plasterboard, smaller piece, 10mm behind, well, will be exactly the same, flushed against this as much as possible, and then use polyfiller to fill the gaps up, and then let it settle for a bit, and maybe a few more sandpapering to level it all out. That is the plan, and I'll show you the step-by-step process as I go along. Alright, as this is a DIY job, use anything and everything you can find around you. I've got this tool from IKEA that we have in the house, and somehow I need to screw the top bit just like this, so top bit just like this, so on there. Okay, this is a two-step process. Now I'm going to let the glue dry. As you can see, it's not perfectly flush, but this is where the plastering will come handy. You literally plaster the edges and finish off. So next time, hopefully I'll have time to come around here and I'll finish off the last bit that needs to be done. But so far, I mean, the glue should harden slowly over time and it'll stay in place. And then just using a finishing plaster, just putting it on top. Alright, that's the end piece for now. Until next time, thank you for watching.